Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a smooth sliding text animation in Premiere Pro. So firstly open up your Premiere Pro, and as you can see I already have footage onto my timeline. So what you have to do is just simply click on the footage, then go to the graphics tab, then simply take the text tool and write a text. For example, sliding text. Then let me edit this text a little bit. So after making all the changes, just simply drag your text layer to the place where you want the animation to start. Then take your timeline to that very place and then click on effect control. Then make a keyframe into the position over here. Then change the position of the text until it's gone from the frame. Then simply make a keyframe on the position. Then drag the text out of the frame until it's completely gone. Then go to the place where you want the text to appear. Let's say over here. Then just simply bring back the text. And now when I play this animation, you will see the text is sliding in from the left hand side, but it's not smooth. Let me show you how you can do that. Just simply select both of the keyframes and then click on any of the keyframe, and then just simply right click on any of the keyframe, then go to interpolation, then click on ease in. And now when you play the video footage, you will see it's smoothly sliding in from the left hand side. So that's it. That's how you can make a sliding effect in Premiere Pro. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.